went to school Monday, Tuesday. No, sorry. I went to school
That's not what I
Monday
asked you.
morning.
Is the schedule that he said, is that the schedule that y'all had? That's a yes or no? Which one was it?
Oh, no.
No,
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
but the truth. Mr. Bravo
Yes.
and Miss Victoria,
Yes, ma'am.
you may both lower your hands, and Miss Wilson, you may proceed.
We're here on an agreed child support review order in a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. The parties initially agreed to a child support deviation, but now the mother do not agree. Mr. Bravo also do not agree with the proposed visitation schedule. The state's requesting that the proposed order be amended. If I can state the terms of the agreed portion and take testimony.
You may.
There is one child before this court referring to evidence was been marked for identification purpose as State's Exhibit A. That's the acknowledgement of paternity.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Parties agreed to be made joint managing conservators. Parties agree that Ms. Victoria would be the primary parent and be restricted to live in Dallas or any surrounding county with the child. Parties agree that Mr. Bravo is to maintain the child on or apply for health insurance through his employer. Parties are not requesting retro support and no non-disclosure of their address. The court calls is billed to Mr. Bravo, and that's the extent of the proposed order, if I may call the parties.
Hold on, Miss Wilson, and that was all a part of the original CSRP, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and so now we're getting to the contested matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you may call the party.
I call Miss Victoria. Ma'am, can you please state your full name?
Yes, it's Anna Victoria.
And you're in agreement with Mr. Bravo having standard visitation schedule with your child?
Yes, that's the one you said every
So that's
first, third, and fifth.
Yes. Is that what you're in agreement with?
Okay. I am.
And why are you requesting
Yes,
that
ma'am.
Mr. Bravo visits be standard?
Because we had agreed on the first phone court call that we had.
Okay. And you're also in agreement with Mr. Bravo paying
And then we didn't, like, it didn't work out.
Okay. Are you also in agreement with Mr. Bravo paying guideline child support of $931 monthly beginning December 1st of 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
And just to go back to the visitation, he stated that the visits didn't work out with the standard?
Yes, it didn't work out. Whenever he was supposed to have her every weekend.
Yes.
So just how it has to be regularly.
Okay. So the visits didn't work with standard, but you understand that, the visits didn't work with every weekend, but you understand that standard visits is not every weekend. Is that correct?
Yes, that's how we had agreed on the 780, but he would like have her every weekend. But I prefer to have it the standard way.
Okay. I pass the witness and I call Mr. Bravo.
You may.
Sir, can you please state your full name?
Jesus Bravo Morales.
And you're not in agreement with the standard schedule with your child, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
You're requesting, I'm sorry, Mr. Bravo, so you're requesting to see your child every weekend?
Yeah, so we make an agreement, like I told you before on the other call, that
Mr. Bravo, I'm just asking, are you requesting to
yes,
see your child? Okay. Why are you
yeah.
requesting every weekend?
First of all, because she lives almost next door to me, and then I know she's gonna go to my apartment. And second, I mean, her Ana Luisa, she go to school 3 days during the week, and then she goes to me every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday evening, and then she works Saturday and Sunday. So I prefer to have her in the morning with me every Saturday and Sunday, where she's working, to have somebody else taking care of the baby.
Okay.
Because that's my option.
Okay. You understand that the state's requesting that you pay guideline child support of $931 monthly, beginning December 1st of 2025.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
You understand that the state's requesting that you pay guideline child support of $931 monthly, beginning December 1st.
Yeah, I understand that the state is requiring that.
Okay. And however, you're requesting to pay $780. Is that correct?
Yes,
Why is that?
because with us the agreement we make that I was gonna put the insurance with my company for the baby, and then I will still gonna have the baby Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday evening where she go to school, and then Saturday and Sunday where she working.
Okay. I pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay. Miss Victoria,
Yes, ma'am.
is that the schedule that y'all had?
No, this week I went to school Monday, Tuesday. No, sorry. I went to school
That's not what I
Monday
asked you.
morning.
Is the schedule that he said, is that the schedule that y'all had? That's a yes or no? Which one was it?
Oh, no.
No. Okay.
Mm-mm. It
So
was,
hold on.
yeah, no.
Let me finish asking questions. So was this something y'all were going to start when the order was put in place?
Mm, no, that was just gonna be,
That was just going to be what, ma'am?
that was just gonna be on what we had agreed.
Okay. And when did y'all start doing that schedule?
We didn't because it
You
hasn't
never did
been
the
like that.
schedule. Okay. How old is the
No,
child?
she's 10,
She's
10
10?
years old.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
so what has the visitation schedule been for the last 10 years?
Oh, we've just separated like a year ago.
Okay, so for the last year.
Maybe one day a weekend she'll be sleeping at her dad's, and then she'll come back maybe like Saturday evening to my house, and then just Sunday when I work, my parents will take care of her.
Okay.
And Friday she'll stay with me, and during the whole week, yeah,
Okay.
literally.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Bravo, do you understand that if you put your child on your health insurance, that is taken into consideration when the state calculates your child support? Do you understand that?
So that's including the 900 and some dollars.
No. If you say you
Oh,
have your child on your health insurance at your job, is that correct?
yes.
Okay. So whatever it costs you to insure her,
No, no, I'm sorry. Sorry. I haven't put her on there. I was waiting on the child support order because she have Medicaid before this.
okay. Let me
Yes.
ask Miss Wilson a question. Miss Wilson, does the order dad to cover her in health insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you were saying the reason you want to pay 780 is because you're going to cover her in health insurance. They've
Yes,
already
ma'am.
taken into account what you would have to pay for that, and it's your child support should still be 931. That's all I'm trying to explain to you, is you've gotten
Okay.
credit for that. Okay, all right.
Okay.
So I will accept the agreed portions of this order, which was part of the CSRP. I will order child support at $931 a month, and I'll order a standard visitation schedule. Miss Victoria and Mr. Bravo, do either one of you have any questions?
Um, no, so there will. Do I have any letters, any consents, or anything from here,
Excuse me?
or do we have to sign anything, or this is like what we signed like in the past?
This is the hearing will since we've put this on the record, you do not have to sign the order. If you would like to sign the order, the Attorney General's office can send it to you in DocuSign, and you can review it and sign it. But that's up to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's just a question. Thank you.
You have any questions, Mr. Bravo?
So we're not gonna respect the agreement that we have for 780 before the one that we signed, right?
What do you mean, respect the agreement? Mrs. Victoria is not agreeing.
So all that matters is what you said.
What do you mean? What did you say, sir? I'm sorry, I didn't
So
hear you.
so that's what that matters, whatever she said.
Whatever she said, sir, she says she doesn't agree to that. It
Okay.
doesn't matter what you agreed to before, she doesn't agree to it now. Okay?
So how is gonna be the visitors for the baby? The 15 and the what?
I'm not understanding your question, sir.
So the visitors for the baby, how is gonna work?
The visits are every first, third, and fifth weekends of the month from 6 p.m. Friday to 6 p.m. Sunday. There are also provisions for all major holidays, Mother's Day and Father's Day, the child's birthday. Anything that they thought you guys might disagree on, they put in the schedule. If the two of you can agree on how you see the child, you don't have to follow the schedule. Otherwise, you have to follow the schedule.
Okay.
Okay. Now that I've made my ruling, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. If you don't like my
So I can
ruling,
still
sir,
so I can
hold
still
on one
appeal.
second. So hold on one second, sir. You have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. If you don't like my ruling, if you think it's not fair, or you just don't agree. Yes, this is out of the 303rd District Court. That's Judge Laditra Atkins. She might have a different opinion from mine. Now that I've given you that information, do you have any questions?
So I can appeal, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can I appeal?
The Attorney General's office can send you instructions, sir.
Okay.
Do they have a proper email address for you?
Yes.
Okay, then they can email you the instructions. Okay,
Okay.
if there are no further questions, thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Wilson.
Judge, Mr. Dale is ready to approach.